Ravi's International School. Trust assured for your child. A sprawling, safe and home-like campus for residential and day scholars. Call 7331
So, welcome you, Hyderabad. I mean, Hyderabad is your city, no doubt. But nowadays, we are not able to see you much. Why? So much of traveling happening.
See, I'll tell you, this all happened because of Indigo. I was supposed to come last week, but finally I am in Hyderabad after being ditched thrice by Indigo. Yes, I am here. So I was stuck in Mumbai, and I cancelled few of my events because of this Indigo thing. But finally, I made it to High Life Jewels exhibition.
You also faced the problem. It was like very tough for you.
मैं कौन हूँ? मैं हूँ कौन? भाई हम भी face करते हैं, of course.
So, they didn't inform you that something is going wrong, or
No, I was just taking the risk. On 7th, I was supposed to fly to Rajahmundry for my marathon thing, but they cancelled it at the last moment, and I requested them, please, jaane do bhai, jaane do. Client was so upset, and so do I. But it's okay.
So we are happy that you are in Hyderabad finally in an exhibition. I love the way outfit. I just want to know, first of all, what kind of a love you have for the jewelry. I can see it's so much trending.
See, everybody knows that how much I adore and love jewelry, and my love language is all about surrounded by my favorite gems and pieces that glitter and sparkle. So yeah, jewelry is. I'm in love. Whenever I wear jewelry, I feel on top of the world, not less than Barbie doll.
So recently, did you join anything like add up in your jewelry? Last time you have 4 sets. I think you told.
Yes.
Is anything added? How many sets you have now of gold, silver, diamonds?
नहीं यार, कुछ भी नहीं. Nothing.
You don't want to reveal, I think.
No, why? No, nothing.
And as we can see, gold and silver is growing up. What kind of investment planner you are? Like, you love shopping?
I do love shopping, but the thing is, this is my mom's department. I never get into this, so actually, Mama ko aana chahiye tha. I think she's missing this event. Next time I'll bring her.
But I want to know 3 investment plans you love to do as from childhood, and they can learn from you, and a tip you can give them.
Okay, so when it comes to investment, I would say I invest in properties. Sometimes I invest in biscuits, gold biscuits. And the third thing, it's not an investment sort of thing, but yeah, I do a lot of shopping, so it's kind of investment. It's a kind of investment for me, if I'm buying clothes or something like that.
The day you came to this industry, you look the same, you're looking more glamorous. What makes you fit all the time? What is your success, or you can say that glamorous mantra?
It's all about yoga and Pilates. I'm a yoga freak completely. I have to do yoga at least thrice a week, and if I won't do any sort of workout or Pilates yoga, I don't feel comfortable in my own skin. So that's the only way out. And I suggest you also, please try yoga. Try yoga.
And what about the food side? What a food lover you are?
I'm big time foodie. Big time.
The 3 favorite dish of Pyle Rajput.
Okay, the very first one I would say sambar rice.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Second, pizza.
Okay. Oh, pizza. Wow.
Pizza. The third is Thai curry and rice.
Thai Korean rice.
Ek aur, I want to add one more, and that is parantha, gobi ka parantha with butter on it.
So what future projects we wanted to see you, ma'am?
So 2006 gonna be really good for me, I'm sure. I manifest that. So 2 projects coming. So two projects in Punjabi and one is Tamil. It's about to release. I have shifted my mom to Hyderabad.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's a beautiful feeling. Now Mama is staying with me after my father. So yeah, that makes me happy.
So she's making good food for you, or are you making good food for her?
I have put on almost 5 to 6 kgs. I'm hogging each and every day. Like if I'm having my lunch, talking about dinner, talking about breakfast. So it's something like that going on in my
So what
life.
kind of shopping holic you are?
I'm a spendthrift. I mean, wherever I go, I make sure first I have to go for shopping, and afterwards we'll shoot or whatever is the thing. We'll do that.
But we want to see you now in a big screen. Your fans are waiting. So
I'm also waiting. I'm also waiting for the right project and right people to work with. Let's see, fingers are crossed. And next year, I'm sure I'm gonna do a bank comeback.
So what is your dream role that Pyle want to see on screen? A dream role of yours?
dream role. I want to do something. I told you time and again, so many times. I want to do
But
commercial
it's okay.
saga where I'll get an opportunity to perform dance numbers. You know, a lot of acting. You know, something like Javi Met.
Okay.
मैं अपनी favorite
Favorite
करीना
को.
कपूर. मुझे वही करना है.
And your crush?
My,
You have a crush on?
you are a smart woman. You know that. My
Are you
crush.
gonna work? Who's your crush?
My crush. I don't know.
I mean, from the actor
I
or your
don't know.
friend?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, what is love and marriage for you? That's it.
See, I believe in the institution of marriage, that's for sure. I really want to get married one day and want to have 4 or 5 kids, of
Oh,
course.
wow.
But it has little time. I have a lot of responsibility that is riding on my shoulders. So I have to complete that. And it's my decision. So, yeah, I mean, it has some time.
A last message to yourself. That's it. And a New Year's coming. Yes. What do you? How you want to see your next year? And one message you would want to give you yourself every day.
Peace over everything. So I want to be more peaceful, more calm, and want to be the happiest in the world.
Wow,
That's
good.
it.
Thank you
That's
so
it.
much, ma'am.
Thank you.